Hey everyone, I hope that you're having a good Monday. I just wanted to check in now that we are halfway done with Unit 7. We're nearly done with the semester, so once we're done with this unit this coming Sunday, there will just be 2 weeks left after that. I did want to remind you that the last day of the semester is Friday, April 23rd. The final project will be due that day, and that will be the last opportunity, the last cutoff for any work that you are preparing to submit for our class. Um, Unit 7, we've been working on different pathways that you can take history as you study history as an academic pursuit or otherwise. I'll be responding to your Medium posts about that either later today or sometime tomorrow, so be looking for those. This coming week, we'll be focusing on continuing our research for the final project. So by this coming Sunday, you'll need to submit your bibliography for the project. And do remember as you go, your topic and your research question might change just a little bit depending on what kinds of sources you're able to find. It also may be that even though you've submitted your bibliography by the due date, you might find another source that you want to add, or you might want to swap one out. That's totally fine. Want to emphasize that research is an ongoing process. It's messy and it leads us in a lot of different directions. So feel free to pursue those and find all of the things that will best help you to answer your research question and present on your particular topic that you've chosen. Remember that you can choose to either complete a Medium post for the final research project, or you can present your research in the creative format that you find most interesting, whatever that might be. It could be a multimedia presentation with something like Adobe Spark. It could be a video. It could be an infographic, and on and on. Whatever seems to fit best for the type of work you like to do and the topic that you've chosen, the sources you've found. For the bibliography, as noted in the unit narrative, please click on the Research Project tab in Medium and read Step 2. I've added a lot of pointers there about the types of sources you need. So remember, you'll need 2 primary sources, 3 academic secondary sources, and there's some information there about what that means, and then at least 2 other secondary sources. There's some information there as well about how to determine the credibility of sources, how to read sources together to decide which ones are strongest, and those are things that you'll want to talk about in your research project, how and why you chose certain sources to answer the question that you have in mind. So along the way, don't hesitate to ask questions. Let me know what help you need. I'm happy to help out, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you create.